Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a 1 skein 2-hour crochet scarf plus a bonus share of a unisex textured scarf. So let's get started. To make this easy scarf, I'm working with 1 strand of worsted weight yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. Chain 30 or any number in an odd number. When you have your chain the correct length, you're going to double crochet in the 3rd stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3. In that stitch, make a double crochet. To double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert the hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. And that is going to count as your first V-stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches, make a V-stitch in the next stitch. To make a V-stitch, insert the hook, pull up a loop, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, so that's 1 double crochet, chain 1, and then make 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. And that's another V-stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches, make a V-stitch in the next stitch. Double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet, all in the same stitch. Like that. And you're going to repeat all the way across the row. Okay, after you've worked across the row, you should have 3 stitches left. Make a V-stitch in that last stitch. Double, chain 1, double. And that would be your first row of V-stitches. Now the next row will be repeated over and over until your scarf is the length that you would like. So you're going to turn, you're going to slip stitch into that first chain 1 space. In the first chain 1 space, slip stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. That counts as a double crochet and a chain 1. Double crochet in the same chain 1 space. And that's your first V-stitch. And now in every chain 1 space across the row, you're going to work a V-stitch. Double, chain 1, and double. Go to the next chain 1 space, make a V-stitch. Double, chain 1, and double. Like that, and you're going to repeat that across the row. At the end of the row, you'll make your last V-stitch in that turning V-stitch. So you're just going to keep repeating that row over and over until you have your scarf the length that you would like it to be. And when you're finished, you can either leave your scarf like this on the ends, or you can add a fringe. To make your fringe, you can make your fringe any length that you like. I'm going to wind mine around just a cardboard tablet so that they'll all be the same length. So you're just going to wind those around and then cut them off with scissors. And then you'll have lengths of yarn like that. So to attach your fringe, fold your yarn in half and then insert your hook into a stitch. Pick up the folded end of the yarn, open up that loop, and then pick up the 2 ends and pull them through there like that. And you can do that all the way across both ends of your scarf. And that's it. That's how easy it is to crochet this 2-hour, 1 skein, easy crochet scarf. I'm going to show you how to crochet this textured scarf. And it's just a 2-row repeat, and it's very easy. And it's a great scarf for men or women. So let's get started. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 6.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. You can chain as many stitches as you would like. I chained 27. For a chain stitch, you simply pick up the yarn and pull it through the loop. When you have your foundation chain the correct length, you're going to double crochet in the 3rd stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3. Double crochet. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. Go ahead and work 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way across the foundation chain. And that is a row of double crochet. At the end of the row, you're going to chain 2 and turn. You're going to make a front post double crochet in the next stitch. So yarn around the hook, insert under the post from the front, and then complete the double crochet. In the next stitch, make a double crochet, just a regular double crochet. In the next stitch, make a front post double crochet. Double crochet in the next stitch. You're going to repeat that across the row. Front post double crochet and a double crochet. Front post and a regular double. You're going to do that all the way across the row. And this is my turning chain, and I'm going to do a front post on that stitch. For the next row, chain 2 and turn. Double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. So just a regular double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. All the way across. Okay, I worked all the way across, making a double crochet in each stitch. Chain 2 and turn. Now we're going to repeat this row. So that's front post double crochet and a regular double crochet. Front post double crochet and a regular. So you're just going to repeat those 2 rows until the scarf is the length that you would like it to be. And that's how easy it is to crochet this textured scarf. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.